Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Our Beautiful Journey with Twins. In today's video, I'll be sharing must-have essentials for newborns. First of all, congratulations to all the new mommies. So without further ado, let's start today's video. We'll start the video with the clothing first. First of all, let's start with the singlets. So make sure it's a cotton one, so because a direct touch to the body, baby skin. And then we go with the jumpsuit, that's the inside layer. Make sure again it's a cotton one, nice and soft. And then we go to the wondersuit, we call it wondersuit, you can call it onesie. Make sure it's got a mittens on it because as the baby born, their nails are sharp so they can scratch themselves. So make sure they got a mittens on it. And then make sure they got a cover on the feet as well. Then we move to the beanies. So we can have the cotton one and we can have the woolen one. And then we move to the bibs. Make sure we have some couple of bibs during the feeding. And then if we wearing you don't want to wear the jumpsuit or the onesie to the babies, you can wear the t-shirt or the legging. You can use the mittens with that. So we got a mittens to use. And then we also can use the booties, and we can have some socks to go with that. And the last thing, make sure we have a nice and soft jacket with a hoodie on it. So these are the basic clothing for the newborns. So let's start with the sleeping bags or swaddles. So these are the very nice sleeping bags for the newborns, as their arms tuck inside along their chest, so they still feel they're still in the warm, and they won't feel shaky while they're sleeping. They're nice and comfy. So this is the newborn bag, and we can use this bag since they grow up. So this is for the newborn babies, and you can use for the 0 to 3 months. And also you can use the muslin cloth to wrap the baby. If you want, I can share another video how to swaddle the baby in the muslin clothes. It's very easy. So let me know in the comment section if you need to know how to swaddle the babies. And another kind of swaddle is this one. This is another easy one. So you can put the baby inside. There's the legs goes in there. You can just tuck it in. Again, the baby's arms go inside, and then again is a cozy feeling for the baby. So that's another kind of swaddle I used. This is another thing, it's called head support for the newborns. This is again, it's very nice and comfy for baby's head. So you can use this. This comes in a very different sizes from the newborn to 6 months. So this is again, it's a very handy thing for the baby's head support. So this is another very handy thing to have it. It's called bouncer. Babies sleep very quick in it and very comfy in it, as it's called rocking motion in it. As you can see, it's also got a music in it. So you can put the music on, baby sleep well in it. Also it's secure, baby secure inside. It's got a buckles on it, so it's safe and secure. You can put the babies in and you can do other household stuff while you can observing at the babies at the same time. So yeah, it's a very handy thing to have for the babies. So this is another it's called My Little Bed for the babies, which I use as a co-sleeper for my babies. And this is again the head support you can put on the bed, so it's nice and comfy. This little bed is very beneficial for the babies. They feel comfy, they feel cozy. You can use as a co-sleeper, or you can use as a they can foldable. You can if you need to go some other place, you can use it as a bag. You can just fold it. It's easy to foldable like this. You can use it as a bag, as you can see. And the last thing is, of course, the blanket. Nice and soft blanket for the babies. So okay, so next category is feeding the baby. So let's start with the breast pump I used for my babies. This is a breast pump. That's again, it's very handy. You can use this one. I had a twin, so it was really handy for me. So you can use this one. It's good for your stimulation of your milk as well. So we can store the milk in these containers, or you can store the milk in this milk storage bags. You can put in the fridge or the freezer. And another thing is, these are the nursing pads you can use to prevent the extra leakage of the milk. So now let's move to the other option, is the formula milk. So if you're using the formula milk for the babies as a top up, or you're not breastfeeding using just the whole formula milk by itself to the babies, so these are the things I used for my babies. So let's start with the bottles. I use a Dr. Brown anti-colic bottle for my babies. You can also use the Avent bottles. And then these are the bottles I use for my babies. And another thing, I use the milk dispenser for my babies. So you can put the portion, how much scoops you're gonna use for the bottle for the babies. So next, move to how you're gonna warm the baby milk bottle. So I use this baby milk bottle warmer. You can use this one to warm up the baby's milk bottle. It takes 3 minutes exact, and you give the right temperature of the baby milk bottle. Then we move to the very important part, how we're going to sterilize the baby bottles. So I use 2 types of sterilizer for my baby. Since I have twins, so I used 2. I needed 2. So there's 2 types. So you can use the microwave one. There's 3 bottles, and the teats you can use at the same time. It takes 3 minutes in the microwave. So it takes 3 bottles at a time. This another one is again Avent one I use is electric sterilizer for the bottle. So this one you can use 6 bottles at a time. So you can put the 6 bottle underneath, and then you can put the 6 teats on the top section. So this one again takes 4 to 5 minutes to sterilize the bottles, and it's nice and easy, makes our life so much easier. So I highly recommend this one, guys, to use this one to sterilize the baby bottles for your babies. So in the diapering section, we start with, of course, the disposable nappies or the diapers. Water wipes. I use these water wipes for my babies, since the baby skins are very sensitive. So it's got 99% water in it. So you can use this one for the baby bumps, and you can use for the mouth as face as well. And then these are the very beneficial, like very handy things called nappy bags. It's really good if you got a poo nappy in it. The poo nappy in the nappy bags, and you can straight away put in the bin, so it's less smell in it. So another thing is good to have the nappy bin because you don't have to rush around all the time to put the nappies in the actual bins. So I just use this bin, stays in the bedroom, and it's very handy for me. So I don't have to rush around. Since having 2 babies, I'm frequently changing their nappies. It's very handy for me. Other thing is, of course, we go for the change mat. It's a waterproof mat, and it's got a cover on it. Also, I use this disposable mat cover in it, so it's save the mess. Of course, accidents happens with the baby, so it's very handy. And also is another 2 things very handy. I used it, like it's optional whether you guys are gonna use it or not, but it's really handy because you don't have to rush around all the time in the same room to change the nappies for the babies. So first thing is just the nappy change mat. So it's got a nappy change mat. You can put the the nappies here. You can put the wipes here. So it's very handy again for the babies. And the other thing is, like I use this caddy next to my bedside table. You can put the nappies in it, you can put the lotion. It's got lots of pockets in it. You can use all the other nappy rash cream, you can use the other stuff like which lotion, baby massage oil in it. So it's very handy, and you can put next to your bedside table. In the medicine section, let's start with the Vicks vaporizer. I use this Vicks vaporizer for my babies since they're born. So it's very beneficial in all these cold nights when they have a chest congestion, they have a dry cough, runny nose. So it's very handy and very beneficial. You can use this throughout the night, and you can turn this one on for 1 or 2 hours before they go to bed. So these are the the vapor pads you can use as a refills. The next one, we use the Johnson Baby cotton buds to clean their ears. They're very, you can see the edges are not that sharp, so they're very, they're made for the newborn babies. Then we move to the vitamin D3 drops for the infants. As we know, vitamin D is very good for the babies. So the other thing is the Panadol for children or the paracetamol for children. So it says 1 month to 1 year. It's good to have it all the time at your home because you never know, they got fever, they got vaccination. To relieve all the pains, it's must to have it all the time. And the next one is a digital thermometer. Must have it to have the newborn baby. So it's very quick and efficient. You can use in the baby's ear or the forehead to get the accurate temperature of the baby. And next we needed the teething gel. We use two types of teething gel. There's a Bror and the another is Bonjela. So it's up to you which one you want to use for the babies. The next one is the baby grooming kit. So in this grooming kit we have baby's comb, nail cutter, filer, baby toothbrush, baby hand comb, nasal aspirator, small scissor. Then it's good to have some, extra dropper or the syringe for the babies, because you never know you're gonna need it. And then of course the anti-colic drops for the babies, because they have gas, all this stuff, so it's very handy. And all this snotty nose, it's very good. We use the Fess for the little noses for 0 to 2 years, so it's really good for all these cold eyes to clear their nasal. It's also called saline nasal drops, and it's very handy as well for the babies. So in the bathing section, I use this change and bathing table for my babies. So I quickly go through the products as well, the products I use for my babies. So starting with the soap-free bath, the Curay. That's a tear-free bath. And then I use the same Curay shampoo and conditioner. For the body lotion, I use Cetaphil. Here, natural baby powder. And also use the lavender oil in my baby bath water, just to soothe them down, and they feel so calm and comfy, and they just go to sleep straight away after they have bath. So this is, I highly recommend if you guys wanna use it. So I'll show you as well how I use this for the change table and bathing at the same time. So what I use is, I usually undress my baby on this change table, take their clothes off, their nappies off, and also there's got a very nice bag in it, so you can put the dirty clothes and the nappies in it. And then you can take the lid off. Inside this is a bathing tub. So in the bathing tub, I also use that bath support for my babies. As you can see, there's a head support in it, so you can put the baby inside, and it's nice and comfy. They don't move. It's very stable, as you can see. So you can put the babies in it and you can give them a bath. Once you finish bathing the babies, you can put this cover back, put the towel on. I put the baby here, wrap it over, dry them up, and they're good to go. एक और चीज़ है जो आप पे शेयर करना चाहती हूँ, इसका नाम है ट्विन क्रेडिबल। ये ट्विंस बेबीज़ के लिए बनाया गया है। सो इस तरीके ये बहुत स्टर्डी है, तो मैं यूजली क्या करती थी, जैसे बच्चे ने दूध पिया, बच्चे को स्ट्रेट अवे एक बच्चे को इसमें डाल सकते हो, दूसरा बच्चा स्टिल फीडिंग, तो या फिर दोनों बच्चों को आप डाल सकते हो। तो मेरे बेबीज़ क्या करते थे, इसमें दूध पीने के बाद इसमें जाते थे और जाते ही वो सो जाते थे, क्योंकि ये बहुत कम्फी है, बहुत कॉम्पैक्ट है। और बेबीज़ अभी न्यू बॉर्न है, वो स्टिल नीड बिट ऑफ सिक्योर स्पेस। तो तो उसमें आप जब डालते हो बच्चों को, तो बहुत कंफर्टेबल फील करता है, बहुत कोजी फील करता है, और जल्दी से सो भी जाता है। और इसको इस तरीके से बनाया गया है, एज यू कैन सी, कि इसके बच्चे का हेड यहाँ पे रहता है, जैसे उसने फीड की है, बर्प ली है, आप उसको स्ट्रेट अवे इसमें डाल सकते हो, सो नो इश्यूज़। तो ये बहुत हमारे लिए बहुत हैंडी रहा ड्यूरिंग माई ट्विन बेबीज़ व्हेन दे वर न्यू बॉर्न। अप टू 3 मंथ्स मैंने इसको यूज़ किया है। इसका एक और बेनिफिट है कि आप इसको बेड पे यूज़ कर सकते हो, इसको आप लाउंज में यूज़ कर सकते हो, और आप वाइल यू डूइंग योर हाउस होल्ड वर्क, किचन में हो या कहीं कुछ भी आप काम कर रहे हो, आप एट द सेम टाइम बच्चे को ऑब्जर्व भी कर सकते हो। तो आप बच्चा को भी सेटिस्फेक्शन है कि बच्चा कंफर्टेबल है, गिरेगा नहीं, तो ये वो बहुत बेनिफिशियल है।